snow falls outside, you can hold me tight. When it's cold through the night, we'll stay warm inside. We'll feel the fire burning, baby, spin that record one more time. 'Cause we're gonna spend our night dancing in Christmas style. Pack your bag, pack your hose. Hurry up, it's time to go.
We've had a lot of snow overnight. The kids are going to be so excited. Look at that. So exciting still. Oh, I love that sound. So pretty. Guys, come look at the snow. Whoa, look.
On Daddy's chair.
Go out there, quickly get your feet wet. Are you a chicken? I'll do it.
Okay.
Come on. Oh, it's freezing!
Mom,
Yeah, oh, the camera's not focusing.
this video was going on.
Oh, my feet are cold.
Mom, here.
Yeah, we've got a whole heap of stuff hanging on the line, that's why it's like that.
Snow.
Wolf, look, it's been snowing.
Come on. Come on. He wants someone to go out with him.
Look, Wolf, it's been snowing.
Come on. I like it. He said I like it.
Come on.
Come on.
What do you think?
Go in the snow.
Oh, no, back in. Too cold for Wolf. Oh, the cars are covered. Look at that. Look at my truck. Very deep. Guys, what a change in weather. Yesterday I was wearing a singlet and today I'm wearing 2 layers of very thick clothes and my muck boots again. So, my God, it's insane. I'm really excited about the cooler weather though, because as most of you know, I love the cold. I feel so energized in the cold. It is my favorite. I mean, I can never choose a favorite season. Summer's probably my least. It is the best for riding horses and stuff obviously, but coming from Australia, I just love this cold. Something that I'm not used to. When I was living in Australia, snow's going all over my eyes. When I was living in Australia, it was so hot and I always felt so tired and lethargic and groggy and just no energy whatsoever. And coming to Canada and having this cold, I just feel the most creative, most energized person. It's insane. So I'm gonna go and take a little bit of a walk down here to check on the horses in the front paddock, make sure that they've got water and that they're all safe, haven't gotten out. And I'm going to check on Smokey, our little mini horse, because he did get out of his yard. Like, he didn't escape, but I didn't lock him in, and I cannot see him in our house yard, so I need to go and look for him. I know some of you will ask if it's okay for horses to be in this cold and how do they deal with it. I'm all new to it, being from Australia. We don't have snow. Well, there is in one little part of Australia, but it's nothing like this. Here in Canada, they let the horses be a horse. And in Australia, I do think that they over-rug their horses, or blanket, they call it here. I mean, it's due to us having such high temperatures in Australia, like 47, and then it will drop down to like 20 at night. I get why people do it, but I wouldn't I don't, I never did. So basically the horses grow enough hair over the fall months, their body regulates to know that it's getting cooler and it just grows thicker, and yeah, they end up with just a nice thick coat. Obviously they get a lot of hay, that helps with keeping their body warm, and Smokey also has a big shelter that's facing against away from the wind, so that way he's safe from the cold winter chills. A good way to tell if a horse is insulated well is if the snow on his back, like on our cars, is thick and not melting too quickly, then he is insulated fine. So that's what I'm working off. You do have different circumstances where the horse will need a blanket or to come into a barn, but that's normally if they're a senior horse or they've got some sort of health issue, but Smokey is going to be just fine. Anyway, I'm going to walk down here to the horses and you guys can come along too. Well, the horses are all the way down the bottom of the paddock, so I'll go and check on them later because that snow is coming in real quick. But yeah, what a difference this area is from the last vlog where Smokey was running across. Just insane. I will, however, go and look for my horse though. The ones at the front of the neighbours, I'll look for them once the snow stops and drive down, just check. But I need to go look for Smokey, make sure he's okay. I need my gloves. Wow, yesterday I was out here getting Smokey's feet trimmed with the farrier and it was just fall leaves, and now it's a winter wonderland. It's just unreal. Hey Smokey, you found your yard. I'm gonna go get you some more hay. You've been trying to eat it. Wasn't prepared for this. Hey bud, you wondering what's going on? Hey? Look at those icicles on your hair. Look at that. You're a little unsure. You're right, buddy. I'll get you some hay. Go and check his water. Make sure it's not too frozen. Oh my goodness. This is not something we have to deal with in Australia. That is so cold. Go check his shelter. I think that's where I'll chuck his hay. He's got this hay here, but I need to take it out from the weather. Come in here, you muppet. Should we go check the other horses' water? The horses at the back are on our property, but they're the neighbours' horses. But obviously I'm going to check the water for them. Oh my goodness. That is frozen. I'll let the neighbours know. I'm sure they know. Please be open. Oh, I'm gonna have to go all the way around to get the hay. I just wanted to add that Smokey's water trough is actually plastic, and we are adding in a metal trough and putting in a heater in it, so he'll be fine. We just did not expect this much snow. It's just crazy. Such a turn of weather. Alright, navigate my way up the stairs here. I'm going to get the kids to open up that back shed door for me. I mean, look how thick that is. my camera's got not focused because it's full of snow in the lens. Sorry guys. Okay, can you go and open up the back shed for me, darling? We have some very cute little birds in here trying to keep warm. They've been nesting all the fall, and I now see why. It's right near, there's a heater vent down the bottom there, so it's perfect, which is why there is no snow there. It's all melted off, whereas all of this is just covered in snow. Connor and I have been talking about getting some bottle calves, hemming and hawing between it. I know the survival rate of bottle calves isn't 100%, and doing it this time of year would be very hard. So thinking about setting it up for about March next year, because Smokey is still up for sale to the right home. There is a lady that's a vet that's interested in him, which would be the perfect home for him, but for now we're holding on to him. That's his yard. We've just bought a bunch of low sugar hay for him in here. Thanks, Tilly. Thanks, honey. Light's not on, but we just bought him a bunch of hay, try and get him through part of winter.
I had to go through there.
It's freezing out there, guys.
Oh, the snow.
Yeah, I got snow everywhere. Touch the snow.
Hey.
You've touched this season's first snow. What are you doing? Alright, I'm going to go out and feed Smoke, okay? Then I'll come in and make you breakfast. Alright, fun fact, I'm allergic to hay. I've always had like that runny nose from it and typical hay fever allergies, but as I've gotten older, I have developed a way worse allergy where I sneeze uncontrollably. I'm so short of breath. I have a shower like 10 times after touching it and I still feel crap, so I use the rake to pick it up and dump it in there just so I don't have to touch it. I'm trying to video and do it at the same time, but I came out and was greeted with a very happy little horse ready for his hay. What are you doing? I'm going to go bring it over to you, bud. That is insane, your mane. All those icicles, buddy. Alright, I've chucked it in here for now. I do need to get a truck tire. I was going to sit it on top of the truck tire in here, but that weather just came in way too quickly, so that'll do. Hey buddy, I'll keep you warm at least a little warmer. I don't think he's sure what to do. I don't think he expected the weather either. Hey buddy. Alright Smoke, it's time for me to go in. That snow's getting very strong and I need to go make us breakfast. I'll come and check on you later, buddy. And I'll go stir that water up a little more. I spotted a coyote in the back paddock. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know whether you guys can see it. I'm going to run. Straight past the horses.
When we were young, we burned like summer suns. Our fears at bay, we made our own way, no stopping us. We never knew the sky beyond the blue. We turned a page, our story became a world brand new. You and I, we have found what we've been missing.
Alright.
Okay, let's go.
Kids are going to go outside.
Only me.
Well, only you at the moment. Riley will soon. Is it weird putting all this stuff on again?
Yeah.
Can't see us, duck down.
This is the first day of snow.
That's right. Are you going to go try and build a snowman?
Yes.
I think that the
You're
snow's a little
gonna
bit
see
too
me. You're
powdery.
gonna see me.
Yes, I'm going to take them out there. Then we're going to get the fire started. We don't really need the fire on because we've got the heater on, but it's just nice having it, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
Went in some snow.
Yeah, it looks like he's keen to come in. Go and show us how crazy it is out here. Look at that chair. You should go sit in it. Look how much is...
Here. Make more
Look at
snow.
that. That's insane. The top of the barbecue.
I'm gonna go and sit in it.
You're going to sit in it? This will be funny. No, sit in it like that. You've got all your snow gear on. Oh. Oh, that's cheating.
Yeah.
Should we shut this door so the heat stays in? We need to get the fire going, don't we?
Outside?
No, not outside. Our campfire is completely covered over out here. This is a little scary. You can't see where the thing ends. The end of the step.
Sit in it.
All right, go.
Yay!
Oh, that wasn't proper sitting.
Snow.
Do you like the snow, honey?
Here's properly sitting.
Come down here and do a snow angel. Oh, Daddy's coming out.
Ah, snowflake. Hey, Dad, you clean?
Connor? Hello? Oh my God, watch out, he's throwing snow.
Billy.
Oh my God, Connor, you nearly got me.
Hello, Mama.
Hello, buddy.
Hi,
I can see you just barely through the cracks. Feels like Christmas and it's only October. So funny. So pretty. So we didn't expect this much snow. I thought it was just going to be a tiny bit. And we didn't put any of our chairs away. We've got a few kids' toys underneath this snow. So I'm hoping during the week it will melt and I'll be able to pick it all up. As well as oh God, the camera's not focusing. As well as rake the rest of the leaves because I didn't get to finish that. Oi! What's wrong? You can throw snowballs. Look how cute you look.
Me.
Look how cute you are. Oh, they're not the proper gloves though. You need the ones like Tilly because they're not waterproof.
Really? Told me these are mine.
Yeah, they're from last year.
Some snow.
All right, we've started ploughing up all the snow. Oi, you cheeky pup. I've done all this so far. Not finished. Connor's made a little trench, haven't you?
I'm bringing this to the garage.
All the way to the garage or the shed.
Don't put it inside, put it beside the pool that's lying outside.
And we're digging up all of the kids' toys that we didn't get before the snow came.
I'm extremely unfit.
Yeah, I am too. But I was saying in the camera before, I always feel the most healthiest during winter.
Fresh air.
Yeah, it's that fresh, cold air, and I feel energized. That's why I like those cold showers and stuff.
Throw the snow at you.
Oh, you're not come here and you're not going to throw this snowman at me? Okay. That sounds like it's not set up. What have you got there? Hey, what is this?
Hey, watch this. Look at that.
You better not. Ah!
I laugh.
There's a daddy.
And also Riley.
And there's a daddy. And there's a daddy.
Hey Riley, is Grandad coming to visit you soon again?
Yeah.
He's coming all the way from Australia. He's never seen snow before. Are you excited to see Granddad again?
He sees snow.
He's never seen it before or touched it or anything. Oh, he's seen it on the top of the mountains when he's driven, but not touched it.
And eaten it.
All right, let's go and work.
I've eaten it.
Oh my goodness, what are you guys doing? Is this our first giant snowman?
Yeah.
Wow, Riley, look at that. Oh wow. Connor, why don't you explain to us your gloves there?
These are the winter gloves.
What are they?
They are barbecue cleaning gloves. So they got a woolen layer inside,
Oh, that's great.
so they're warm and wet.
What, with cleaning gloves on top?
Mom, the head, Mom.
We need to,
The tiny
I think we need to buy you some gloves.
It's not stupid if it makes sense.
Daddy, I'm making the head.
Oh yeah?
Look how big it is.
So big.
Daddy, I think it's done.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's done.
Do you guys need a carrot?
Yeah.
Yeah, for the nose.
Head. I'm gonna show Ava when
What's
she
that, Riley?
gets home.
Cool. Oh, it fell apart.
Ta-da! It looks not round or anything.
All right, I've got carrot and charcoal. So Tilly, you take the eyes, which is the charcoal from the fire, and then there's your nose. Look how funny it is. It's a weird shape.
Turn white. Home for the holidays. Feels good to be here with you. Home for the holidays. The fire's warm, we got nothing to do. And I know that we drive each other crazy sometimes for right now. I'm so grateful that we're here. Home for the holidays.
All right, I'm walking out in my flip-flops or thongs, whatever you want to call them, because a lot of it has cleared up. And I'm too lazy to chuck on my boots again. Just coming out to see what Tilly wants for some lunch. And Tilly and Connor have been making a fort. Oh my god. Ah! This is so cool. You've got your own ice sculpture.
This is only mine.
Look at
This
this.
is only mine, not Riley's.
Okay. Look at that.
His own with Dad and you.
How cool is it, Tilly?
I know.
Hopefully it doesn't melt.
It will.
Do you think Riley's going to be jealous that you've got one and he doesn't?
He could build one by himself.
Oh, so you
By yourself?
get Dad's help, but he has to do it by himself.
No, I'm kidding.
It's not cold out here though, is it? It's nice. I think it's -1, but there is no wind. And it's just nice. Like, I'm happy. I've got thongs on, so flip-flops.
Yeah, but you're different.
I am different. That's my beach side coming out. Wolf, what are you doing, buddy? He's still not sure of this whole... Oh, let it focus. He's not sure of this whole snow thing, are you, buddy?
He's fine. He was running around all happy earlier.
I'm not saying he doesn't like it. I'm just saying he's not sure of it. He's wondering why the backyard used to look green and now it's white.
No, we can't see green. We can't see colors.
Practicing building our log cabin, Connor.
Dogs can't see colors.
Yeah, it's exactly the same quality.
Dogs can't see colors.
That's right. Oh, that's right, Tilly. Smart girl. Dogs can't see colours, can they?
No, they can only see white and black, but if something's white, they see a white.
Come here, you've got stuff on your face. Charcoal.
Chocolate?
No, charcoal. I came out to ask if you'd like
I
some
also have
lunch.
chocolate on my face because I ate.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw chocolate all over the top of the counter in the kitchen. What do you want for lunch? Vegemite sandwich?
Crackers with Vegemite.
Crackers with Vegemite, okay.
Then won't she got a hold on me. She's the warmth of the summer, the color of spring. She's the strongest wind, the calmest breeze. That woman, she got a hold on me. That girl, she's like the
Wind is only moving, pollen, good for making honey, cotton. Rain is only water falling, good for growing happy garden. Alright, look where we started. Good roots grow in the garden. Sun is only slow and constant, good for making winter soften. Seasons only nature calling, always changing, soon and often.
Guys, we're on our way to go trick-or-treating. We've got a little witch in the back and a little pirate. Here's our pirate.
That's
There's our witch. There's our pirate. I've got them mixed up. It's opposite in the camera. We're heading over to a mate's house and then we're all going to walk over with a big group of us trick-or-treating. Connor's dressed up as his usual leprechaun self. Until he told me to say I'm a cowgirl because I'm in my western clothes, but I'm just an exhausted mum.
You're a wicked witch.
I'm a wicked witch, like a pretty witch, or one of those ones with the warts on their nose.
Wicked. You define that.
Anyway, we'll show you guys the kids' outfits once we get out. We're going to take you guys along with us trick-or-treating to show you how Canadians celebrate Halloween. And in Australia, we never went Halloweening or trick-or-treating because we live so remote. You know, there'd be a couple of 100 acres between a property. And when I did live in suburbia near the beach, it's like every 50th house is decorated. So it's very awkward when you're a kid door knocking because you feel like you're sort of scabbing for food. So here's a lot different. All right, getting warmed up.
Scary.
Everyone's ready. Show me what Greg's mum gave you.
Want to come walk? No.
Is that nice? Neighborhood kids. How cute does Roscoe look?
Over here.
All right, we're here. Hopefully you guys can see stuff. There's a guy jumping in a bin down here. One of the garbage bins to scare people, isn't he?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Ready to go?
Yes, I see tails.
Look at Roscoe.
Here you go. Off you go.
Little hot dog. You ready, buddy? He's a little nervous.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not going to.
You go up there and do trick or treat. Go up there. Right up there. Yeah. Where's Riley? Come with me. Go up there and grab one. You grab two. Grab one for Riley. Yeah, that's it. No, just one for Riley. Yeah, how many did you grab? Just that's it. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Go and say trick or treat. Take this one, buddy, so you can put your treat in it.
Go, go, go. Good boy.
Use your manners, guys. Say thank you.
Run, Riley, run.
Box and the glue and the
Juice box.
Juice box.
That's different.
These juice boxes.
Very
Those are
cool.
the best ones.
Yeah. You guys cold?
I think I got grape. I got grape.
Great flavour. You guys cold? No? Too excited to answer me.
No.
You go up, Tilly.
I'm tired.
Oh, here we go. This is what Kristen said. I'm going to be holding the broom. Already got the sword. We've got the hat.
You've barely got witch now. This is safe with your feet.
Do you say thank you? Go over to the fire, Tilly, and get. They've got lollies. Come on. That's nice and warm. Hi. You get some lollies or candy. They're out of candy. Got a T-Rex walking across the road there. Everyone goes all out here. You guys have got the biggest stash. And Daddy and I have stuff in our pockets too. Where's Riley? Look at that stash you've got.
Do you have all rallies?
Guys, we're home and the kids have the biggest stash. I'm going to show you now. All right, let's go. But when you empty your stashes out, don't get them mixed up with each other. Oh my goodness, Mel. Oh my God. Look how many lollies you got. Or candy, I should say now.
Hey!
Hey!
Did you guys have a good night?
Yeah.
What was the scariest part?
Nothing.
Nothing. Which one's your favourite one, Riley?
This.
The Kool-Aid.
And who gave me this?
And the little hot dog, what is it? Oh, yummy. An ice cream cone.